Hello, kids. Today we're going on a fantastic journey to learn what traffic lights do and how to stay safe on the road. When the traffic light is red, vehicles stop. And we should wait at the crosswalk. Red light means stop. Before the green light turns on, the elderly woman and her grandchild are carefully looking around. They need to make sure that all vehicles have come to a complete stop. The grandchild is checking the safety of the road and the elderly woman is assisting him carefully. When the traffic light turns green, the elderly woman and her grandchild can safely cross the crosswalk. As the vehicles start to move, they need to be cautious and cross slowly. While crossing, the elderly woman and her grandchild are looking to the right and left to ensure the road is clear. The grandchild is holding the elderly woman's arm to help her and ensure a safe crossing. Now you know how to use traffic lights and crosswalks safely. Stay safe, always be careful, and help others as well. See you next time. When the light is red, vehicles and pedestrians must stop. Red means stop and indicates that you should not cross the road. We need to wait for the green light for a safe crossing. When the light is yellow, you need to be careful and stop before crossing. Yellow means caution and signals that the red light is coming soon. You should stop and wait before moving forward. When the light is green, vehicles and pedestrians can cross. Green means go and indicates that it is safe to proceed. However, you should still look around carefully before crossing.